When you want to connect a folder to ArcMap, you have to first make sure where that particular folder is. When doing a GIS project, it is better to have a separate folder for each project. And I have created a new folder here called GIS Project 1, and I'm going to connect this folder to ArcMap. In the ArcMap, you have to go to Catalog, and if you don't have the Catalog option here, you can either click on this button or you can go to Windows and click on Catalog. In this window, you have to find this icon called Connect to Folder. Click on that, and here you have to browse to your files and find the particular folder you want to connect. Here I am going to connect my project folder. I have selected the project folder and I will click OK. And now under your folder connections, you can see the project file is connected.